Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet this beautiful blanket stitch as you can see here. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Then I'm going to add 3 more chain, yarn over, come right here, pull through, again yarn over. You're going to work in each of the stitch to make half double crochet. Yarn over, then see this is how it's going to look like. Then going to chain 1, 2 and 3. Turn our work, yarn over on 1, 2, 3, pull through 1, pull through twice and pull through 2, chain 1 right inside here. That's 1, it's 2, including this loop here makes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then yarn over, pull through all loops, yarn over again, 1, 2, third loop, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops, 2 loops again, then chain 1, continue again, pull through like this. Continue, count this loop here, so 2 loops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can see this is how it's going to form, like yarn over 1, 2, 3 through 1, twice, twice again, chain 1. Then we're going to come right here again, pull through, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. One, 2, and over here in the last loop, 8. So we have 4, 4, 8. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. We could turn around our work, yarn over, going to come right here in this space here. then chain 1, pull through. So that makes 3 plus this loop here, 1 2 3, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pull through 2 into yarn over. Again you come in this loop here, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2, then chain 1, also pull through. So 2 loops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then yarn over again in this loop here, chain 1 again, pull through, do the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn over, come here, pull through 1, pull through 2, 1, loops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn over. Then we're going to come right inside here, pull through 1, through 2, and pull through 2, then chain 1, 1, those are 2 loops, counting the first loop, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chain 1, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. It's the same one as this one. See, we have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a very beautiful stitch for you making your blankets, and also for cushions or table mats or any crochet project which you like, you can make for. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Till my next video, bye bye, see you.